Hello everyone. Our group name is Vishwa Boys. Myself, Tushar Gadade. There are four members in this group: Raj Thapa, Suyash, and Ranveer. Next page. Starting with the case study. 2 years ago, the company introduced its first electric scooter, but because of the unsatisfied customer and lower than expectation sales, it is currently ranked the fourth in the market. Poor performance on the rough terrains, sludges, and the inconsistent charging, out of date app notifications, a heavy vehicle body, and the complicated app interface are among the main users' concern. The company's financial loss per unit sold is 10%. Without raising the scooter's price, the next model aims to boost the sale by 50% and generates 10% profit margin in the sixth month of the release. The engineering and the product team have been tasked with redesigning the scooter and its ecosystem in order to overcome these obstacles. The operational goal is to get rid of all six crucials. Next page. So here are some questions. The company wants to do an analysis of the app and what it needs to improve it. Mind map the top 10 feature you would want in the app for the electric scooter and explain which are the top 5 features which would be the most useful and why. Second question, what are some of the designs consider you have for designing the storage feature and what all will you need to consider for security of the document while designing the architecture. List the potential reasons for any two of the issues which the customers have complained about and write the test scenarios you would use to test and ensure have fixed. Fourth, use the inside out and outside in the technique of releasing a product to market and list the top 5 things you would do inside out the plan to release the new app to market and outside in planning for the releasing the new app. Based on the list of top 10 features you have to selected, do a relative priority exercise to mark them from P1 slash P2 and then from 1 to 10 and explain what would have decided those priorities. What can be the business and operational metrics and measurement the company can use for the new version of the vehicles and the goals they have for it. Business metrics can be around revenue, profit, etc. While operational metrics can be around quality, delivering time, etc. What all can be metrics which companies measure their performance when manufacturing and selling electric vehicles. 11. If you want write details test scenarios for the testing battery of the vehicle, what all would be top 10 to 20 scenarios. Create a mind map and do relative priority of the test scenarios based on the most important to the least important. 12. What can be the very user-friendly design of the table dashboard UI on the vehicle? What data should it show? Draw a UI using pen, paper, and submit a picture. Also, write the way in which the user would use the touch screen to interact with UI. Comment on the UI would have by default and how the user can navigate on the UI and what all the function it should have with the goal of keeping it easy to use. Next page.
So app feature, mind map, and top 5 features. So first feature is battery percent, next charge notification, then navigation integration, document upload, firmware updates, vehicle tracking, trip history, user profiles, dashboard widgets, and user usage analytics. These are the top feature. Next is storage design and security. So key consideration for cloud storage design. First one is file validation and size restrictions. It helps block harmful uploads and maintains system performance. Role-based access control (RBAC) grants access to sensitive files only to authorized users. Next, offline access enables availability even in low connectivity regions. Essential security measures to implement. First one is end-to-end encryption. It protects data privacy during transfer and while stored. Next is regular security audits and testing. Detects and addresses vulnerabilities before they can be exploited. OAuth 2.0 with multi-factor authentication (MFA). It strengthens login security through multiple layers of hashing. Issue analysis and testing. How to address customer complaints about EV battery and app issues. So, battery issues. Improving battery metrics and alerts to detect charge loss. App issues. Enhance app update mechanisms and catching to ensure time data delivery.
So I'll be telling about inside out and outside in planning, product launch strategy, internal readiness and customer engagement, inside out internal readiness, UAT and QA sprints, employee beta, CI/CD pipeline, performance metrics, and customer service training. Product launch strategy. Outside in, CUS management, beta users, pre-release teaser campaign, early adoption incentives, tutorials and FAQs, staged OTA releases. Next, businesses and operational metric. Businesses and operational matrix, business matrix, profit margin, return on investment, monthly sales growth, market share, customer retention rate, NPS. Operational matrix, mean time to repair, incidents per month, app crash rate, defect escape rate, system uptime. Next.
Moving towards the battery system testing and feature, the image showcases the various tests and protections involved in ensuring battery safety and efficient in the electric scooty. Short circuit protection prevents electric mismatch. Full charge ensures consistent battery performance over time. Rapid charge heat stress evaluates battery performance under fast charging. Deep, deep discharge recovery protects battery health even when deeply discharged. Ambient versus extreme temperature test battery's functionality in varying climates. Moving towards the cycle life testing ensures long-term durability of the battery, moistures and dust in gas. Validates protection from the environment element. Next slide. Moving towards the tablet dashboard UI design, uh, this image highlights the usability feature of the scooter smart dashboard, speedometer and battery, key stats visible on top, alert pane, display important notification, swipe navigation, allow switching between views, long press with it lets user customize the layout, quick access icons, fast access to the docs, history and settings. Next page. Moving towards the conclusion, our electric scooter ecosystem case study highlights the strategic convergence of the user's focused design, advanced engineering, and data-based decision making. Throughout empathy of user pain points and their translation into compiling features and upgrades, we aim to deliver an effortless, effective, and sustainable mobility experience. We align technical involvement with customer happiness and operational perfection, positioning us at pinnacle of the next generation intellectual electric scooters with an intense focus on the ongoing improvement and qualifiable influence. We are leading the way for cleaner, smarter city transport. Next page. Thank you.